Hi everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to download a file in Apache JMeter step by step. Whether it's a PDF, CSV or any other file, you will learn exactly how JMeter handles file download during testing with a real example. So let's begin. Right click on test plan, add thread and then click on thread group. Thread group controls how many users will run the test. Remember period defines how quickly they start and the loop count set how many times each user will execute the test. Now add HTTP request, right click sampler and then click on HTTP request. In the HTTP request, you can change here request name, download file. Inside this, you need to enter protocol HTTP or HTTPS. This is section for server name or IP, and this is method. If you want to download file, so you need to select here method is get and then enter path here in path section. Open Chrome browser and here you can view in this page multiple files are available. You can download file. So this is server name and this is path. We will enter server name and path here in server name and path section. First enter here protocol is HTTPS. As you can view, this is protocol HTTPS and then enter server name or IP. Copy this complete path, enter here and remove this one. Just enter here server name and then enter path in path section. After enter this path, you need to define the file name. As you can view here, this is file's name with extension. Suppose you want to download this file or another file, some dash file.txt. So you need to enter this file name. Open JMeter and enter here some. You need to enter exact this name some dash file.txt. Now here we define this file will be download. In Apache JMeter by default file will not download. You need to add here listener. So we will add here listener, right click here listener and then click on view result tree. In view result tree, we can view result. So click on this start and then click on no. It will ask for you, are you want to save this test plan and request sent successfully. In the request, we can view this is the complete path, get method, the response data. We can view here in the response body and this is the response headers. But here you can view file is not downloaded. So we need to add here, right click here, listener, and here one option available. You can view save response to a file. In save response to a file, you need to enter file name and here some conditions, save successfully response all. It means that file only save when you getting this successful response and save failed response, don't save transaction controls simple result. Here you need to just enter file name. So we will enter here file name. This is the location in which you want to save this file. Open this folder and copy this complete path. Open JMeter and enter here. After enter this path, you need to enter file name. Suppose we want to enter here some dash file.txt. This is the file name. Now run the test, clear all the result. By clicking on this clear all, you can clear all the result. Now click on start, then click on no. Request sent successfully and save response to a file. Open this location and check whether this file downloaded or not. You can view here file downloaded successfully. In path section, suppose you want to download this empty underscore file.txt. So you just need to enter this file name and this file will be downloaded in this path. That's all about download file in JMeter. I hope this video helped you understand the process clearly. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.